Hey everyone! Today, let's explore a term you've definitely heard: artificial intelligence, or simply AI. But what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence means machines, computers, or programs thinking and learning like humans. It's all about making computers smart, not just following instructions, but understanding, learning, and improving. Imagine you show a child 100 pictures of cats and dogs. After some practice, the child can recognize a cat or a dog even in a new photo. AI works the same way. We give the computer lots of data and it learns patterns. Once trained, the AI can predict, answer questions, and even talk like a human. AI is usually split into three types. One, narrow AI, solves one specific task. Example: Google Assistant, Siri. 2, general AI, thinks and learns like a human in all tasks. Not yet possible. 3, super AI, smarter than humans. Still science fiction. For now. Whether you know it or not, AI is all around you. When Netflix recommends movies, that's AI. When Google Maps shows the best route, that's AI. When YouTube suggests your favorite videos, that's AI. Self driving cars, smart speakers, even face unlock on your phone all use artificial intelligence. AI is important because it helps automate boring tasks, solve complex problems faster, and even save lives. In medicine, AI helps doctors detect diseases early. In agriculture, AI predicts weather and plant health. And in business, AI helps companies understand customers better. In the future, AI will become even smarter.